Welcome back for another Solana price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price target areas, give you the price action to expect in the next coming days and also hours, and also give you the possible scenarios that we can see once we see a breakout out of these price channel that we are trading within. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Solana is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And there are high chances that as long as we continue holding above the 20-day MA on the 1-hour chart, that might continue acting as support for us to continue gearing up and see a break out of this price channel to the upper side, possibly get a retest of the upper side of the channel before we can continue gearing up and see a break above the $20 mark. Alternatively, we also need to have a worst case scenario in case Solana continues to see further weakness and maybe at some point we lose the 20-day MA, continue seeing further weakness to the lower side of the channel, and maybe we don't find support on the lower side of the channel and see a break out of the channel to the lower side and give us a possible retest over here. And in case such a movement plays out, then that will be suggesting further breakdown on the charts where we can easily see Solana get back to the $17 mark, where we have our next key areas of support. Solana has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, you can see that Solana on the 23rd of June gave us a low at around the $12.93 mark, and after seeing that low, we saw that massive bounce to the upper side in a move that gave us a high above the $32 mark. And after seeing the high above the $32 mark, we started seeing a corrective structure where we have now been breaking down in the formation of this wave 2 into the target area for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $22.45 mark and the $16.88 mark. And this is an area that we have almost fully maximized, and there are chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and maybe in the next coming days or maybe months we can see a reaction of that and continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3. We also need to have a worst case scenario that can play out basing it on the Elliot structures in case at some point Solana continues to see further weakness, given the FTX liquidating all the Solana that it has, and maybe at some point we lose our blue target area, start closing on the lower side of the target area, then that will be suggesting further weakness to a point that we can easily see a reset of the low that we made on the 23rd of June at around the $13 mark. And those are the possible scenarios that I have here on the Solana chart. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 60 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.